So the only real issue I have with this is with this design right here. So you can see the pitcher has a hard time getting over this little hump. So you gotta kind of twist it in there for it to kind of sit flush. Now the problem is once you get the juice in this, there's no way to take this lid off because you're stuck in here. So the only way that I've found to take this off is you kind of have to do one of these and pull it out. It's really not functional. So what I've been doing instead is just doing this to fill up my my juice in the morning. But aside from that, it works great and leaves the pulp really dry. So as long as you clean this out really well after every use. When you pull this out, this is the part that has to be completely cleaned. If you don't, you're gonna get wet pulp every time. But the only other part I'm having a problem with is these parts right here. They're seeming to be wearing out. I've only had this thing for about 2 weeks and only used it maybe a dozen times. And this part's already starting to wear out a little bit. But other than that, it's a great juicer. It does exactly what I paid for. Overall, I'm really happy with it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, here we have a review of the Breville BJE430SIL model. This was featured in Good Housekeeping's Best Juicer 2021. So here we have the device. Here's the pulp collector here. This is the top where you feed your fruits and vegetables. This is your juice collector here. It's got a nice latch attachment here. In the front we have the speed controls, down for high, up for low there. Yeah, and here we have my vegetables. I'm just going to turn it on to high here. Here I have kale, cucumber, celery, apples, and some lemons that I peeled. So there we go. Feed it right in there. Alrighty, that's simple here. The cleanup's pretty easy, comes apart pretty easy, and then you got your great juicer. There you go. Thanks for watching.